This is going to be a short video showing this 1960s General Electric AM radio clock, alarm clock, model C551D. I'm not sure if it's all operating properly, so I'm just going to show you what I found out. Okay, this is when you push it in, that adjusts the alarm, pull it out. That adjusts, pulling it out is the clock arm. Push it in, this is the alarm. It has a radio here,
personnel, including police
which
officers,
works.
911 dispatchers. The Long Beach Convention Center is being converted into a mass vaccination site.
Turn it off. There's an auto alarm, and I'll turn the alarm on by moving the hand around.
In
Alarm
LA
goes
County.
off.
They include the 6 outbreaks
But now I don't know how the
stores
sleep
in Sherman
timer
Oaks,
works.
Westwood, and downtown LA.
When I push
that
it,
involved 92 workers, and the
it
outbreaks
advances
in 14
this knob,
Target stores in Southern California.
which will
Now you can
shut
get the
off
complete list on our
after
website,
like 15 minutes. It'll go to 0.
Right now, Southern
Nothing
California is one of
happens.
2 epicenters for pandemic infections across the state.
Hospitals
The only
in
way
Los
to turn it off
Angeles
is
and
to
in
turn
Central
this
California
to
are
off.
being
So I'll show you the alarm. Also, if I go to alarm mode,
people in the hospital as a result of COVID-19.
Carmela Coyle, she's with the
let's
California.
turn it off first. Okay, now it's off. Now I'm going to activate that alarm again.
Have to ration.
The
And when I push this again, you're going to see this
and we are
advance.
working to keep the hospital from dropping into that status.
Most
And it won't,
hospitals in the state
it'll
right
go
now
to
are
0
in
after 15
contingency
minutes,
care
but
mode. The hospitals
nothing's
are
turning
sharing
off or anything.
resources with each other.
If
Craig
I
Figger,
go this to
KNX
off,
1070 News Radio.
and let that run for
KNX is
15 minutes,
moments
it'll
away.
shut
It's
off,
2:05.
and it shuts off. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to work, but that's the way it's working. Alright, it also has a buzzer that goes off sometimes. If I turn this all the way down, sometimes the buzzer will go off. But it's not. The buzzer only works sometimes. Alright. That's about all I know about this thing, so I don't know if it's working properly. That's what I found out. Alright, thanks for watching.